Eunice from ASOS Fix. We have iPhone 7 Plus. Data recovery. The phone has a water damage. Customer bring us a flash drive to save the maximum we can. So let's look at it. Bam! So this is how the phone look like inside. So as you see, someone was here before. They took all the shells. I don't know if we gonna have any chance in this one. These phones that someone like was working on it before us, they have a very small chance. Holy, yeah, you can see the water damage, and this is like a salty water damage. I already start seeing a lot of missing parts. Let's go look at the microscope and see how it's looking. Yeah, this phone is missing a lot of parts, like over 20 components that's gonna need to be put it back in the places. It's gonna be a lot of work. This is the LCD screen connector, missing parts here. Sure, we are not gonna have I don't think we're gonna have any display. Still some conductors over there, 4-pin conductors. This is the touch screen and the touch ID and home button connector. And missing a lot of parts. I don't know what these people was doing. And you can see here is under top is missing a couple capacitors. Maybe missing more parts. If I miss anything. But first, let's see what the phone do when we connect it to the power. The phone is connected to the DC power supply. Taking 0 amp. That means there is no surge or partial surge. And the battery line or VCC main. So I'm trying to push the phone to boot. So the phone still turns on. Look like there is no surge in the CPU. I hope. Stuck at the 13 milliamp. Jump into 200 milliamp. So it was like 130 milliamp. Phone is trying to boot. If it pass 600 milliamp, the phone is past the first stage. No, and the phone restarting. That's what it's doing now, looping. So let's see what we can do for this phone. So here I test, I'm using the iBridge for checking the diode reading and the pins, and they found 3 pins and the LCD connector, the one on the bottom, that is no match in the reading. So like the pin number 5 is supposed to be 800 and I have 0. The pin number 3 is supposed to be 500 and there's a 0, nothing. It's like an open line, OL. The pin number 5 and 3, both of them is open. Plus the pin number 20 here is supposed to be 400 something, but is a shorted. So I'm gonna check that one. Another thing, the pin number, I think number 14, number 12, no, is good. So this is the strange reading that I have in the pin number 3 and 5 and number 20. So here especially number 20, that is shorted. That's what this is the 5 volt, the LCD connector is here, 5 volt point 7, and is going to this capacitor, but I think is like maybe by mistake switch it to this filter, to the next switch, or so I'm going to check it and we'll see if that's going to give us the display. I put all the missing components and I resolder all the ones that was moved from the place or a bad connection on them. Yeah, I checked the iBridge and basically like all the LCD connector reading is right. Power supply on. Shorted the power button. I see a little backlight. Yeah, so we have a Apple sign. So passcode, yeah, the process bar is start. All right, I done now. The process for like saving the data is going good. So and that's the data into phone, and here is the data transferring it to the computer. Yeah, it was over about like 50 gig of the data. It's almost done. Thank you for watching and see you next video.